morning children. Welcome to Elga online class. Okay, dear children, today we will learn Elga 4 unit 4. Okay, Elga 4 and unit 4. Okay, dear children, already we completed 3 units. Okay, dear children, as you all you know. Okay, already 3 units completed. Okay, now we will learn unit 4. Okay, okay children. Yeah, before we start the class, we will do one activity for you. Okay, yeah children, you know this activity. Yeah, this is called rain clap. Okay, okay children. Yeah, get ready. Okay, yeah, first one finger clap. Do the activity. One finger clap. Okay, next two finger clap. Then 3 finger clap. Next 4 finger claps. Then 5. Very good. Very nice. Okay. Okay children. Next we will sing one rhymes. Yeah children, do you all like rhymes? Yeah, okay. Now we will sing the rhymes. Okay. Yeah children, get up. All the students, please. Get ready. Okay, all the students stand up in your place. Okay, get up. Okay, yeah children, do the action. First, I will sing the rhymes. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. Okay? Okay children. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. I hear thunder. Oh, don't you? Oh, don't you? Once again, I hear thunder, I hear thunder, oh don't you, bitter butter raindrops, I'm wet through, so are you. Okay, yeah children, do you like this rhymes? Okay, very good. Okay, yeah children, now today we will learn Elga 4, day 1 of unit 4. Okay, yeah children, what is the meaning of Elga 4? What is the meaning of Elga 4? Very good. Elga means what? What is the meaning of Elga? Elga means English, language and general awareness. Okay, Elga means English, language and general awareness. Okay, in Elga there are 5 components. How many components? 5 components. What is the first one component? Phonics. Okay. The second one component is whole words. What is the second one component? Whole words. Next, the third one component is reading and listening comprehension. Reading and listening comprehension. What is the next component? Grammar part. Okay. Next, finally the fifth one component is what? Writing and speaking expression. Okay, in Elga there are 5 components. Okay, yet in today's class we will learn unit 4. What is the topic of today's lesson? Travel to neighboring countries. Okay, travel to neighboring countries. Okay, yet in today's class, travel to neighboring countries is a topic. In this topic, we will learn first section, blends. Phonics section, blends. Now let us learn bra and kra blends. Okay, bra and kra blends. Okay, dear children, when you are attending the online class, take your Elga reader book, Elga worksheet, take your pencil, eraser, okay, and sharpener with you. Dear children, once again, dear children, when you have attending the online class, take your Elga reader book, Elga worksheet, take your pencil, eraser and sharpener with you. Okay, okay children, now take your Elga reader book, Page number 69. All the students please take your Elga reader book. Page number 69. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for you. 5 seconds. Okay. Yeah, children, take your Elga reader book. Page number 69. Yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, children, your time over. Okay, very good. Yeah, children, take your Elga reader book, page number 69. Yeah, children, now look at the slide. Elga 4, Unit 4, Day 1, travel to neighboring countries. Okay. Okay, children, now look at the next slide. Okay, page number 69. Take your Elga reader book, page number 69. Yeah, children, now let us learn the blends. Now let us learn the blends. Yeah, children, in the blends, now we will learn br blend. Now we will learn br. Okay, br blend. Okay, yeah, children, now see your book and look at the slide also. Okay, yeah, children, first one, bread. Okay, yeah, children, how to blend the words? Yeah, children, listen. Bread. Bread. Okay, yeah, children, in the segmentation, bread. Bread. Okay, next word. What is the next word? Bridge. 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 Okay, the next word is brick. 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 Okay, next, brown. What is the next word? Brown. In. Brown. In. Brown. Okay, what is the next word is? Brag. 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 The next word is brat. The next word is brat. Brat. The another word is brim. Brim. The last word is brown. In. Brown. Okay, yeah, children, once again I will repeat the words. Blend. Okay, blend. Bread. Bread. Bridge. Bridge. Brick. Brown. The next word is brag. The another word is brought. The another word is brim. The last word is brawn. Okay, very good. Awesome, children. Next, blend. The next blend is blend. Okay, what is the first one picture? Crown. What is the first one picture? Okay, yeah, children, this is called crown. Okay, yeah, king has a crown on his head. Okay, this is called crown. Okay, yeah, listen. Kra, kra, in, crown, crown. The next word is crayon, crayon, on, crayon. Okay, the another word is cricket. What is the next word? Cricket. Okay, ik, at, cricket. Okay, the another word is crow, crow. The next word is crab, crab. Okay, the another one word is krug, krug. The another word is crop, crop. The last word is cram, cram. Okay, your children, once again I will repeat the all words. Your children, please repeat after with me. Okay, very good. Crab blend, crown, crown. Okay, crown. The next word is crayon, crayon. The another one word is cricket, cricket. The next word is crow, crow. The next word is crab, crab. The next word is crib, crib. The another word is crab, crab. The next one word is cram, cram. Okay, your children, next we will read the sentence. Okay, your children, please see the slide on your Elga reader book. Okay, your children, now I will read the first sentence. Broad, broad is a crab. Your children, what is the name of this crab? Your children, listen. Broad, broad is a crab. Okay, broad is friends with crick, okay. Your children, listen. Broad is a crab. Broad is friends with crick. Crick is a crow. Your children, now I will read the second sentence. Crick is a crow. What is the name of this crow? Crick. Okay, they go to see crack. The second crow cracks mother. The second crow cracks mother. Makes bread for them all. They play cricket after that. Okay, your children, once again I will repeat the sentence for you. Your children, please repeat after with me. Okay, okay students. Brad is a crab. Brad is a crab. Brad is friends with Crick. Crick is a crow. They go to see Crag. The second crow Crag's mother makes bread for them all. They play cricket after that. Okay, very good children. Next, see the next slide. Yeah, children, in our phonics section, okay, completed. In our phonics section, over. Okay, next we will move on the whole word section. Okay, children, now take our Elga reader book, page number 92. Take our Elga reader book, page number 92. Yeah, children, now let us learn the whole words. Okay. Yeah, children, in the whole word section, now let us learn the previous word words from the previous level. Okay, page number 92. Okay, yeah children, now I will read the words. Okay, yeah children, then only you will follow. Okay, yeah children, the first word is wants. What is the first whole word? Wants. The next word is then. Then. The another word is no. No. The next word is will. Will. The last word is these. These. Next line. First word is how. How. The another word is there. There. The next word is see. See. The another word is next. Next. The last word is get. Get. Okay, next. Third row, first line. First word is where. Where. The another word is when. When. Next word is around. Around. The another word is they. They. The last word is take. Take. Okay, yeah children, now we will read the new words. Okay, yeah children, first I will read the all the words. Yeah children, please repeat after with me. Okay. Okay children, now new words. The first word is every. Every. The next word is himself. Himself. The another word is across. Across. The next word is again. Again. The another word is which. Which. Next, the second line. Second line, the first word is cannot. Cannot. The another word is decide. Decide. Yeah, children, please repeat after with me, okay? Decide. The next word is reach. Reach. The another word is ready. Ready. The last word is happen. Happen. Next, third row, first line. Lived. Lived. The another word is side. Side. The next word is received. Received. The another word is meet. Meet. The next word is once. Once. The fourth row, first line is time. Time. The next word is sticky. Sticky. The next word is greet. Greet. The another word is return. Return. The last word is filled. Filled. Okay, very good children, awesome. Okay, now these all the words are called whole words. Okay, this is the new words in this unit. Okay, okay children, now look at the next slide. Take your Elga reader book, page number. Take soon children, 71. Take your Elga reader book, page number 71. Take soon children. Yeah, children, now I will give the time for you 10 seconds. Take your Elga reader book, page number 71. Take soon. Okay, yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, yeah. yeah children, your time over. Get ready with your book, page number 71. Yeah, very good, awesome, great. What is the today's topic in reading and listening comprehension? Flying across the world. Flying across the world. Okay, what is the meaning of flying? Actually, you can able to fly. You have feathers? No. Why we cannot be able to fly? Because we have not feathers. Okay, birds only have the feathers. Okay, yeah children, so how to fly? Yeah children, very good. Okay, yeah, through the aeroplane. Next, hot air balloons. Next, parachute. Okay, children, now flying across the world. Yeah children, in this lesson, the author Sakshi Bhatia. What is the name of this author? Sakshi Bhatia. Illustrations, Dhanashree Shalvi. Okay, yeah children, look at the picture. What do you think? See the picture, all the children. Yeah children, quickly look at the picture, 5 seconds. Very good. Okay, yeah children, now I will read the story. Okay, listen. Rohit has a world map in his room. Once again, Rohit has a world map in his room. Has marked places on it that he wants to see. Okay, what do you think? What did you learn? இதில இருந்து என்ன புரியுது அப்படினா, ரோஹித் அப்படிங்கற ஒரு சின்ன பையன் அவன் என்ன பண்றான் அப்படினா, look at the world map in his room. அவனோட ரூம்ல இருக்கக்கூடிய அந்த world map அப்படினா என்னது, உலக வரைபடம். அதை வந்து பார்க்கறான். சரிங்களா? He has marked places on it that he wants to see. இப்போ இங்க இருக்க இந்த world mapல நான் எந்தெந்த பிளேஸ் எல்லாம் பார்க்க போறேன் அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு அவன் என்ன பண்றான், அப்படியே அந்த world map-ஐ பார்க்கறான். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். He dreams. Next, the next line. He dreams about them every night. என்னது, ரோஹித் என்ன பண்றான், டெய்லியுமே ஒவ்வொரு நாளும் நைட்டுமே என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கான், நம்ம எப்படி இந்த உலகத்தை சுத்தி பார்க்கிறது அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு ட்ரீம் மீன்ஸ் கற்பனை, டெய்லி கனவு கண்டுட்டே இருக்கான். ஓகே, during the night time, bed time. Okay, during the sleeping time, every night he can see himself flying in a hot air balloon. Okay, அவன் எப்படி கனவு காண்றான் அப்படினா, ஒரு hot air balloonல அப்படி பறந்துக்கிட்டே அவன் என்ன பண்றான், உலகத்தை சுத்தி பார்க்குற மாதிரி கனவு கண்டிட்டு இமேஜினேஷன் பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கான். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட். Your children, take your Elga reader book, page number 72. Take soon children, page number 72. Next, he is flying across India. India full ah என்ன பண்றான், அப்படியே சுத்தி பார்க்கறான். ஓகே, இதுல hot air balloon. Okay, he is flying across India. The next one, look at the next one picture. Your children, see the next slide. What is the name of this white color building? Anybody you know? What is the name of this white color building? This is called Taj Mahal. Okay, yeah, wow, very nice. This is very beautiful. Okay, yeah children, now, wow, yeah, white marble building. Wow, yeah, white marble building. The Taj Mahal. Okay, children, next, come to the next line. He then flies to a new country. Okay, yeah children, where is located in Taj Mahal? Yeah, it is located in Agra. Okay, okay, this is India. Okay, Indiaல இருக்கக்கூடிய ஆக்ரா அப்படிங்கற ஒரு இடத்துல தாஜ் மஹால் இருக்கு. Okay, listen, he then flies to a new country. Okay, now Rohit moved to to the next country. This is called neighboring country. Okay, move to a new country. He sees a long wall. He sees a long wall. Okay, which country is this? Yet anybody you know this answer? Very good, awesome. This is located in China. This country is called China. Very good, great children. Okay, next. Did you know? Listen, the Taj Mahal. Let children see your book. The Taj Mahal and the Great Wall of China are part of the 7 wonders of the world. 7 wonders of the world. Okay, yeah, people from different parts of the world, okay, come to see them. Okay, children, next page number 73. Next, take your Elga reader book, page number 73. Okay, listen next. This must be China. Okay, Rohit, think itself. This must be China. Okay, this must be China. He then flies lower and lower. Okay, அப்படி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா என்ன பண்றாங்க? hot air balloon ல இருந்து கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா கீழே இறங்கி என்ன பண்றா? அப்படியே கீழே இறங்குறான். Okay, now he then flies lower and lower. Okay, next. He sees people drinking coconut water. Okay, yeah, children, did you remember the first lesson? Okay, in the cricket match, okay, there are 2 children watch the cricket match. Okay, yeah, in India, Indian girl drinking the Nimbu Bani. The Sri Lanka boy is drinking the coconut water. Okay, children, listen. He sees people drinking coconut water. Next, he hears them speaking in Sinhalese. Okay, Sinhalese is a language. Okay, in India, in our country, we are speaking Tamil. Okay, Tamil is our mother tongue. In the same, Sri Lanka people speak to Sinhalese. Okay, which country is this? Anybody you know the answer? Yes, children, very good. This is Sri Lanka. Well done, super. Next, children, take your Elga reader book, page number 74. Take soon. Yeah, yes. Now, look at the slide. This must be Sri Lanka. This must be Sri Lanka. Okay, next. Look at the next one picture. He looks at the map again and thinks. ரோஹித் என்ன பண்றான்? இப்போ எந்தெந்த ஊரெல்லாம் போய் சுற்றி பார்த்துட்டு வந்திருக்கான்? இந்தியாவில் இருக்கக்கூடிய தாஜ்மஹால் அண்டு கிரேட் வால் ஆஃப் சைனா, பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய நெய்பரிங் கண்ட்ரிக்கு போயிட்டு வந்துட்டாங்க ரோஹித். நெக்ஸ்ட் அடுத்து வேற எங்கே போனாங்க? ஸ்ரீலங்கா. ஓகே, அடுத்து திங்க் பண்ணுறாங்க வேற எந்த கண்ட்ரிக்கு நம்ம போகலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு he wants to look at the map of world map. Okay, he looks at the world map and think itself. Okay, children, he looks at the map again and think. Okay, next. I cannot fly in a balloon to go to these places. I cannot fly. என்னால என்ன பண்ண முடியாது? இந்த பலூன்ல எல்லா கண்ட்ரிக்கு போய் சுத்தி பார்க்க முடியாது. I cannot fly in a balloon to go to these places. He says, do you know how I can get there? For your children, think yourself. நினைச்சு பாருங்க, நம்மளால கண்ட்ரி ஃபுல்லாமே பலூன்ல ஹாட் ஏர் பலூன்ல போக முடியாது. அப்ப how to travel to one place to one country to another country? Yeah, very good. Your children, through the aeroplanes. Yeah, how to the aeroplanes move? Swing அப்படின்னு என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? One country to another country we move to through the aeroplanes. Okay, your children, now see the vocabulary board. Your children, in this lesson we will learn there are 5 vocabulary words. Okay, your children, listen. First one, world map. Okay, this is called the first vocabulary word is world map. World map means what? What is the next vocabulary word? Coconut. Next. What is the another one vocabulary word? Dreams. Dreams. Your children, when you have go to bed and sleep, we have think and many dreams. Okay, next. The another word is hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. Okay, hot air balloon. Next, think. Think. யோசிக்கிறது. Okay, your children, once again I will repeat all the vocabulary words. Your children, please repeat after me. Okay, world map. World map. The another word is coconut. Coconut. The next word is dreams. Dreams. The another word is hot air balloon. Hot air balloon. The another word is think. Think. Okay. Next. Your children, in the same page number 75. Your children, this is the concept time. This is concept time. Okay. Your children, listen. Making predictions. Making predictions. Predictions mean what? What will next happen? அடுத்து என்ன நடக்க போகுது அப்படிங்கிறது பிக்சரை வச்சு நம்ம சொல்றது, கெஸ் பண்றது. This is called predictions. Okay, next என்னது? ஒரு ஸ்டோரி. Take one story. What will happen the next? என்ன நடக்க போகுது அப்படிங்கறத நம்மளே பிக்சரை பார்த்து கெஸ் பண்றது. This is called predictions. Okay, making predictions. Okay, children, now I will read the word sentence. Yeah, prediction is a guess. Say all of you, guess. Guess. Guess about what might happen next in the story. What happened in the next in a story. Okay, these are made based on the pictures, the events of the story and the information we already know. Okay, அங்க கொடுத்திருக்கக்கூடிய பிக்சரை வச்சு நெக்ஸ்ட் என்ன நடக்க போகுது அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம சொல்றதா என்னது? கெஸ் பண்றதா predictions. Okay, your children, now prediction. To guess which country this is. Your children, now look at the picture. Now we will guess the prediction. Next என்ன நடக்க போகுது என்ன அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு நாம தான் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Your children, number 1. I know that the boy is over India. I can see the Indian flag. Okay, India எப்படி இந்தியன் கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம்? Because in this picture there is the Indian flag is here. Okay, so we easily identify that all over India. Okay, next, number 2. I know that it takes time for a hot air balloon to come down. Okay, next, third one. I predict that the boy will reach Sri Lanka. Very good. What is this country? What is the name of this country? This country is called Sri Lanka. Okay. He then flies lower and lower. Which country is this? This country is called Sri Lanka. Well done. Super, children. Next. Yeah, in today's class, reading and listening comprehension complete. Okay. Next, we will move on the grammar section. Okay. Okay, students, now take your Elka reader book, page number 70. Page number 70. Okay. Take soon, children. Page number 70. Yeah, children, now in today's class, now let us learn the grammar part, subject and verb. In grammar part, now we will learn subject and verb. Yeah, children, what is the meaning of subject? Subject means what? Yeah, children, subject means noun. Okay, all the nouns are called subject. Okay, நம்ம எதெல்லாம் noun அப்படினு சொல்றோமோ அது எல்லாமே எங்க வந்துரும்? Okay, subject. Yeah, children, listen. Noun. Okay, children, what is noun? doctor. Okay, engineer. Next, place. Place, Vidyal school. Okay, Vidyal school is the one place. Next, Kaikati, Bangalore, Chennai. Anything else? Next, animals, tiger, or lion, cat, fox, etc. Okay, children listen. These are all called subject. Noun எல்லாத்தையுமே என்னமா சொல்லணும்? Subject. Okay, next, verb. Verb means what? Action. Okay, verb means action. Okay, what the action is it? Verb means the verb is the action done by the subject. Done by the subject. Okay, listen. The verb is the action done by the subject. அதாவது என்னது? இந்த noun subject ஆல என்னென்ன actionலாம் செய்யறோமோ அது this is called verb. Okay, children, now look at the board. See the slide now. Subject and verb. Subject and verb. Children, listen carefully. The subject is the person. The subject is the person, animal, or place. Okay, we talk about in a sentence. Or sentence la. Okay, listen. What is the subject? Person. அவங்க வந்து பர்சனா இருக்கலாம், அனிமல்ஸா இருக்கலாம், or பிளேஸா இருக்கலாம். Okay, this is called the subject in the sentence. Okay, the subject is the person, animal, or place we talk about in a sentence. Next, verb. Next, verb. The verb is the action done by the subject. The verb is the action done by the subject. This is called verb. Here, children, look at the picture. See the picture. Okay, children, now look at the board. Yeah, subject, verb. Yeah, in this picture, yeah, children, there are two bees are flying. Okay, the two bees are flying. Okay, next, how many bees? Two bees. Okay, yeah, children, in this picture, what is the subject here? Okay, yeah, children, remember the subject. Yeah, children, listen. Name of the person, animals, place, and things. Yeah, children, in this picture, name of the bees. Okay, this is subject. Next, what is the action is going on? Fly. The bees are flying. Yeah, this is verb. Okay, yeah, children, what is the subject? The bees. What is the verb? Fly. Okay. Okay, children, now see the slide. The subject is the person, animals, or place we talk about in a sentence. Next, the verb is the action done by the subject. Okay, now what is the subject? The bees. What is the verb? Fly. Okay, okay, children, very good. Next, now let us learn the writing part. Okay, okay, children, now take your worksheet. Take your worksheet, page number 83. Okay, take soon, children. Now I will give the time for you. 10 seconds. Take your worksheet, page number 83. Yeah, children, take your pencil also. Take soon. Yeah, children, your time start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, children, your time over. Okay, children, now I hope you all take your workbook, page number 83. Okay, yeah, children, now see the slide. Kya's favorite food. What is the topic? Kya's favorite food. Kya wanted to eat her favorite noodles. Kya wanted to eat her favorite noodles. Okay, her mother made noodles for her. Okay, yeah, children, see the slide. The girl is standing very happy. Okay, very happy and smiling. Okay, yeah, children, in front of this child, one bowl. It is full of noodles. Yakya also wanted to eat her favorite noodles. Her mother made noodles for her. Okay, yeah, children, now see the next slide. Take your worksheet, page number 83. Making predictions. Making predictions. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Children, listen. In the table below, write what will happen next in the story. Next in the story. Okay, yeah, children, listen. What I predict. How to write the answer? Yeah, children, listen. I predict that Sanjana will eat the noodles. Or Kya. Okay, predict that Kya will eat the noodles. Next. Which line in the story says that? What answer? Yeah, children, you have right. Sanjana or Kya. Okay. Kya looked at the noodles. She had a big smile on her face. She too likes noodles. Okay. Next. Writing section. Question number 2. Look at the picture and answer the question. Yeah, children, all the students, look at the picture. What do you think? Yeah, children, in the classroom situation, there are 2 children sitting in the classroom. A teacher is teach something. Okay, yeah, children, what will happen the next? What is the picture mostly about? Yeah, children, listen. How to write the answer? The picture is mostly about children learning about animals. Children learning about animals. Okay. Okay, students. Next worksheet 2, page number 84. Okay, children, take your pencil. Note the answer quickly. Worksheet number 2, page number 84. Noun, subject and verb. Question number 1. Sort the underlined words by writing them in the correct column. Okay, children, now we will find the what is the noun, subject and verb. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Question number 1A. Mohan jumped in the garden. Mohan jumped in the garden. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the noun? Yeah, very good. Mohan and garden. Okay, what is the verb? Jump. What is the subject? Mohan and garden. Okay, yeah, children, listen. Next. See the next sentence. The cat sat on the mat. The cat sat on the mat. The next one. Priya is reading a book. Priya is reading a book. Next. A man has not eaten his lunch. Okay, the another one sentence. Riya is wearing a pink dress. Riya is wearing a pink dress. The next one sentence. Birds are flying in the sky. The another one sentence is Rogan likes to swim. The last sentence is my fish loves to eat. Okay, yeah, children, now the answer is given in the box. Yeah, children, quickly write the answer in your worksheet. Okay, next. Question number 2, blends. Fill in the blanks with the correct blend from the options given. Yeah, children, now look at the picture. Question number 2A. What is the name of this picture? Yeah, very good. Bread. Bread. Yeah, what is the correct blend? BR or CR? Br or cr? Very good. Br. Br. Bread. Br. Bread. Next question number B. Look at the picture. What is this? Bridge. What is the correct answer? Br or cr? Yeah, very good. Bridge. Br, bridge. Next question number 2C. Crayons. Crayons. Yeah, which one is the correct blend? Br or cr? Crayon. Very good. What is the correct answer? Crayon. Next question number 2D. What is the picture is this? Brick. What is the correct answer? Br or cr? Brick. Br, brick. The another word is cr, crown. Cr, crown. The another word is cr, cricket. Cr, cricket. Okay. Next. Okay, children. Next, take your worksheet 3. Page number 85. Subject and verb. Question number 1. Using the pictures, match the subject with the verb. Yet children, in this box, what are the subject? The frog, Amit, the sun, the cats, the fish. Okay, yeah children, see the slide, take your pencil with your ruler, match the subject with the correct verb. Okay, okay children, very good. Next, making predictions. Question number 2. Tick the correct sentence that says what will happen in the next picture. Okay, yeah children, listen. Question number 2A. The boy will eat ice cream. The boy will eat ice cream. The next one, the boy will go out to play. Yeah children, look at the picture. Which one is the correct answer? The boy will go out to play or the boy will eat ice cream. Yeah, very good. The boy will eat ice cream. Next, question number 2B. See the picture. The girl will read the book. The girl will sleep. There are 2 sentences given in the box. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? The girl will read the book. Okay. Next. Yeah, children, take the worksheet 4. Page number 86. Flying across the world. Complete the following sentences. Yeah, children, listen. Which country has a long wall? What answer is this? Yeah, very good. The country that has long wall is China. The country that has a long wall is China. Next, which country would you like to visit? I would like to visit Singapore or your wish. Okay. Next, question number 2. Read the underlined word and circle the meaning. Okay, yeah, children, now I will read the sentence. Question number 2A. He has marked places he wants to see on it. Yeah, children, in this sentence, what is the underlined word? Marked. Marked means what? What is the meaning of marked? Yeah, children, listen. There are 2 answers given. To put a dot or to write. Yeah, children, which one is the correct answer? To put a dot. Next, 2B. He dreams about them every night. Yeah, children, in this sentence, dreams is underlined. What is the underlined word? Dreams. Yeah, children, now we will find the answer. Now we will find the meaning of dreams. Yeah, children, 2 answers given. Which one is the correct answer? To think about something while sleeping or to draw. Yeah, which one is the correct answer? Yeah, very good. To think about something while sleeping. This is the correct answer. Okay. Very good, children. Next. Question number 3. Yeah, sort the words by writing them in the correct column. Yeah, children, in the box there are 5 words given. Yeah, children, now I will read the words for you. World map, hot air balloon, mark, things, dreams. Yeah, children, now we will find the verb and noun. Yeah, children, in this words, what are the verb? Yeah, very good. Mark, things, dreams. These are called verb. Next, noun, world map, ha, yeah, balloon. Okay, only two noun. Very good, children. Okay, yeah, children, today's class over. Okay, children, have a nice day. Happy learning. Thank you. Bye.